Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit the checkout page on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify store. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side. Right here, you're gonna find all of the sections on your store. So just go down until you find online store and then click on it. Once you click on online store, you're gonna find your theme right here. And if you scroll down, you're gonna find some popular free themes. If you like a theme from here, you can just click on add and then switch to that theme. So if you click on customize, you're gonna be right here in the editor. From here, you can edit any section that you want to edit on your store. So in order to get to the checkout page, all you need to do guys is go up and click on homepage. Once you click on the homepage, all you need to do guys is scroll down until you find checkout. Once you find this, just click on it and then so once you click on checkout, it will take you automatically to your checkout page if you have one. I don't have one, so what I'm gonna do is go to here, right here to the theme settings. Once you go to the theme settings, just scroll all the way down and then click on this little arrow on checkout. Once you do that from here, as you can see guys, you can add a new background image for the banner. You can add a new logo. You can change the position to center, to right, or to left. And the size, you can choose either medium, small, or large. Background image. You can change the background color, form fields, the background images, and so on. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.